Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video is all about the C# programming language. C# was developed by Microsoft in 2002. C# development team was led by Danish software engineer Anders Hilsberg. This programming language was designed for Common Language Infrastructure (CLI). C# is a simple, modern, object-oriented, and type-safe programming language. Its roots in the C family of languages make C# immediately familiar to C, C++, Java, and JavaScript programmers. C# is widely used for developing desktop applications, web applications, and web services. It is used in creating applications of Microsoft at a large scale. C# is also used in game development in Unity,